diesel heater in the snow. It's we're into AccuWeather, 28 degrees outside right now. Supposed to get a 17 tonight. Supposed to get 10, 12 tomorrow night. I don't know how long they'll let me stay in this place, but we'll give it a shot. Jerry rig set up. Jerry rig you see right there. That's a jerry rig set up right there. It's supposed to go back here. Unfortunately, this window doesn't open up right now, so I just got a jerry rig set up. It's giving some heat, but we're getting some heat. Let's see what the controller says here. It's working. That boy's working. It's working good. Let's see how long I can stay here for. Let's see how warm this place can get. Find out. I'll update you in a little bit.